So, just come back from the beach, and if your track sass looks like this, and I see this, if it looks like that, then I'm going to show you how to get the best job cleaning it, or just some tips. So some people put them in a bath, some people put them under the hose pipe. Normally I don't leave it this long, so it was yesterday we got back. Normally I clean it straight away as soon as you get back. It takes 10 minutes or 10 or 15 minutes, and then but now I've left it overnight on purpose because it was all wet sand. So wet sand didn't really go in the sea, so it's not, we haven't got to worry about too much sort of salt corrosion there. But yeah, this is how we can sort it out. So first off then, brushes. Use a couple of old paint brushes just to brush the worst of it off, and as you can see it's quite dry now, so a lot of it will just brush straight off. Really bad drills there. I didn't even take the battery off yesterday because we got back quite late. Core drills, that's what not to do. Don't leave your batteries on. So what I'll do is I'll speed this section up, because the last thing you want to see is me for 10 minutes brushing this car. Okay, so now you can see it's a little bit cleaner, not clean at all really, but it's a lot cleaner. A lot of the rough stuff and a lot of the big clumps of material have actually off the car now. The next thing I'm going to use is a compressor. So using a compressor then, like that, as the air hose, all we're going to do is just blast off all the rest of the bits and pieces. So you can see there. As you can see, a lot cleaner, not quite perfect, but after 6 minutes of use, that's what you get. So the next stage, what I tend to do now, is give it a good coat of GT85. As covered in some of our tooling videos, our first tooling video should I say. Give it a good coating over, good wipe over. So I'll speed that up for you now. Let me just move that up. Just wipe off some of the excess. So areas like the front there, you can get a bit of a buff up. Be alright that. That's the most important bit. Oh, underneath. Stop all those links corroding. Obviously there's going to be areas that you miss. Like if little tiny areas in there that may be a little bit difficult to sort of get stuff out of, but generally speaking that works. This sort of method works with mud as well. If I take it to Dolamere Forest down the road, or take it to any kind of mud forested area with the loads of like twigs and mud, it works. So yeah, you blast it all off, good coat of GT85, especially making sure that the connections are covered, stop them corroding, just saves you having to clean them up. That's basically the car. That's how I run it. You may as well see a bit of water seeping out the tyres. I don't glue the holes up, purely because if you glue the holes up, the tyre doesn't deform 100%, so it needs that air to escape the tyre to deform 100% and then give you grip on stuff. So if you glue it up, it's got air in the tyre, so it's not deflating. You're adding You're adding pressure inside the tyre there, so I don't do that. Yeah, you get covered in water, brilliant. You get full of water, you squeeze it out, done. The foam's degrade inside, okay, big deal, but you just define your tyre more, so it gives you a bit more grip. This, but so far so good. I've run it for 2 years like that, and it's been fine. So there we go. Yeah, so that's it. That's my 10-minute. So literally 10 minutes 30 seconds now since we've been going. That's my 10-minute cleanup. So GT85, some brushes, and an airline. Hope this has been sort of beneficial. If it's not, give us a thumbs down. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Cheers.